Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's day 2 of the build. It's technically like it's just days that I've worked on it, not time. So day 2, day 3, how many ever days it takes to build this, it's not a like direct reflection of how many actual days, if you just did this for a day, how long it would take. So what we have on the menu for today, I was looking at this. I'm gonna have to notch this out some, just so I have the possibility of actually lowering the frame and getting it to sit as low as possible on here. Gonna notch this out as well. On these, I'm actually gonna take this out more, just so I have more room for my feet when they come down this way for the pedals and whatnot. Gonna leave this for now. I'm sure I'll have to cut this out for the sprocket and the brake and all that stuff, but I'll do that once I actually get the frame and everything kind of situated. I do plan on putting lights in here because, as you can see, there's clear lenses right there, so I should be able to put like a little light in there. I got the frame today. Also, I'm going to mount 2 more bars from the top all the way back to the bottom, just for bracing, for making it sturdy. And also I'm going to put my motor mount plate here as well. Marked out where I'm going to put the spindles and the axle mounts. I'm going to notch this stuff out and then double check the measurements on the frame just to make sure that's where I want it to sit at and it's centered, and then measure this out and get center and put the plate where it needs to be. So yeah, we should have a pretty productive day on day 2. I'm gonna do most of all this on time lapse, just because the amount of sheer video it would be if I did it like step by step would be ridiculous. So yeah, hope you guys are enjoying the content on this build. Like, I'm super excited. I think this thing is gonna look cool, and it's gonna be my very first build of like beginning to finish. Like me, I did everything, welded it, motor mount, motor, suspension, even though it doesn't have suspension, steering, well, I guess we'll say, like all that stuff. Like, I'm super excited about this build and like what it could mean for future stuff. All right, guys, hope you enjoy this build. Let's get into the montage. Later. 2. Got my center bracing in. Got my spindle mounts at a 5-degree caster. Got my axle mounts on. And I got the frame cut out. I'm gonna throw this thing on charge and I might give a little overview of it sitting on everything. Alright. I'm really enjoying this project. Oh yeah, if you guys like this video, leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Tons of you aren't subscribed. Subscribe now. It's Turn Wrenches Jr. Come on guys, let's do it. Later. What's going on? Day 3, guys. Alright, so far I got spindle mounts, put in the center brace yesterday, got the hangers on there. What I need to do today is to put the bracing in here, bracing in here, bracing here to here, and cut this out. Cut all of this stuff right here out, so the wheel can pivot. Shouldn't have put as much of a tack on there. That's my mistake for being an idiot. So yeah, that'll be the time lapse today. Hopefully today will be good to where we can actually have this cut out, actually have it mounted. I'll have to redo the angle on it. I did it at 5 on the caster. No camber, just caster, front and forward, front and back, whatever you want to call it. But that's where we're at for day 3. Day 3, and then I'll probably look at motor mount, motor, and then order the stuff for the steering, and then kind of get it all cobbled together, and then brakes, chain, sprocket, all that stuff. So let's jump right into it.